like your chauffeur.
I got my driver. My kayak driver. He is so awesome and full of muscle. I got my purple hat.
Yes, you do.
At dahil giniginaw ako, I am so cold. I am wearing a $79
No,
long
not
sleeve.
$79, $32.
50%. I'm not yet done eh.
Half off.
Yes, 50% off. But the fabric is so good.
Yeah.
Nice fabric.
Now you have something to wear all the time when you're cold.
Yes. We
Yeah, I
didn't
think
find any thrift store close to this area. So.
Does it have their emblem on it?
What's emblem?
I mean, for the store, the place we're renting it, is it on the front of the shirt?
It's at the back, I think.
Okay.
Oh.
Jaw strength like you would not believe.
Turtle.
Turtle. Yep. Snapping turtle. It's just swimming. That's how it breathes. Hey, buddy. That breathes through his little nose and mouth. My baby, she's boating. She is kayaking like a pro in her purple hat. I like this. I get to laze back and just enjoy the ride. Your right arm is stronger than your left. There you go. It's just like a car. Once you start going back one direction, go back to doing both sides, or you're going to be steering. See? There you go. We'll continue around this bend and we'll come right out on Lake Erie. We made his day, by the way. With the rental and the buying the merchandise, he's probably going to get a nice little bonus.
I'm not going to buy this shirt. It's $79 still.
No, I know, babe. It was 50% off, so I figured that would tickle your boat, literally. Get it? I took that would tickle your fancy, knowing that it's only 50% off. Oh, he's eating a fish that washed up. See the big raven? That is a raven, babe. No, you're still filming.
And then zoom it.
People think blackbirds are little bitty dinky things. You see the size of that one?
Yeah.
That's an Ohio raven. Look how huge that thing is. It's about the size of a dog. So, yes, ravens can pick up cats and stuff like that and take them away.